Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela if you don't follow me already, and today I am bringing you kind of like my tanning routine and a product review at the same time. So I love trying out new tanning products. I'm always trying to find the best kind of like products, and I like reviewing them as well because there are so many different ones. And today I'm actually going to be reviewing the Loving Tan tanning range. So Loving Tan graciously sent me a few of their range to test out and give you my honest opinion about it. Now I have used Loving Tan before, and yeah, the first time I used Loving Tan, I was back like in high school, and my friends used it and I used it once and I didn't mind it, and that was like probably the one time I used it. But then I really ventured out doing YouTube and stuff and trying to find the best tans, and then I come across Loving Tan again, and yeah, they were really happy to send me some stuff to try out and to review for you guys. And yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys tell you guys what I think of the products. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you do love tanning reviews and things like that. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. Instagram is where I post all my content and YouTube updates and all that kind of stuff, so definitely follow me on there. And yeah, let's get into this review. So I put the tan on the other night, so this is probably like my third day wear of the tan, and at the moment the lights do really wash me out at the moment, but I am really dark, so I got the ultra dark tan, and I will just say I came out dark, like really nice dark. Like I didn't have to do 2 coats of something. It was great. I usually do 2 coats of stuff, and because I like to be extra dark, and I did not have to do 2 coats with this. So Loving Tan, if you don't already know, is an Australian brand. I'm just going to read you kind of like this as well. Made by tan lovers and for tan lovers, Loving Tan Deluxe Bronzing Mousse gives you a natural looking sexy tan within minutes. A salon inspired formula provides you with an immediate color while developing into a deeper, darker tan. The color guide technology ensures an easy, streak-free streak-free application every time. It is both quick drying and fragrant, deliciously fragrant. So yeah, quick drying, yes, so good. It dried within seconds. It was really good. The color really turned out really nice on me. Yeah, I'm not the best at applying tan. You could probably see my little patches here, but you know, everyone makes mistakes. But other than that, the Loving Tan mitt was awesome. I enjoyed that. So what I usually do is I would get out of the shower. I would shave and all that kind of stuff pretty much a night before. I will shave and exfoliate and everything like that. And then the next night I will get out of the shower and moisturize my elbows and all that kind of stuff, just because I know that's where my dry patches are. And then I would just apply the tan. So this is just a mousse formula. I really like the mousse formula. I don't like sprays or anything like that. I just pump it on to a mitt and then go for gold, go for everywhere. It's got a color. You can see the actual color where you've actually put it, which is really good. I don't like tans that don't have a color and you have no idea where you're putting it. It annoys the shit out of me. But yeah, again, so you apply it to your skin. You can leave this for 6 hours. I know they do have a 2-hour express tan if you're on in a rush, which is awesome. It's good that they have different things for different people. If you're in a rush, you can only have to have 2-hour tan. I know I'm going to be having to do that next week when I go to Brisbane, because I got to stick a tan on and then head onto a plane. So that will probably where I want to use my 2-hour tan. They also have gradual tanners as well, and different shades of tan. I think they got medium, dark, and ultra dark, pretty sure. Hopefully one day they'll bring out ultra dark. But yeah, I also really loved from their range, which I finally got to try, was the Deluxe Face Tan. It's like a tinted self-tanning cream that you put on your face. It's meant to be better for your face. You don't get breakouts and things. I love this. This is amazing. I did try it with a cotton pad, as you can see here, but I just went in with my fingers and then washed my hands, and I didn't get anything on my fingers, which is really good. I really like this. I had no bad words or anything about it. It gave me like that sun-kissed glow. Like I could have went out, like I like going in places like the shopping center without makeup or anything on, like a full face of makeup. I'll just have this on with my tan, and yeah, I love this. So good. So yeah, they have like a gradual tanner as well, and they also have like a shimmering bronzer, which I have in the other room because I've been using it, sorry, but yeah. But the shimmering one, like, it's just like, if you're going out and you've got like your décolletage area open, you can kind of like put it on there and it'll look really nice. Like again, also how I like to sleep in my tan, so what I do is I put this at nighttime and then I stick like long sleeve pajamas on. That's how I always sleep with my tan. Some people like those tanning sheets. Me, I just long sleeve pajamas, light and airy, wake up in the morning, wash it off, I am good to go. And then yeah, I just add the gradual tanner just to keep my tanner going. But so far I love the color that it puts out on me. It's not too orange. Yeah, it's really nice. I absolutely like it. I don't really have any bad words about Loving Tan because again, I have used it before and I absolutely loved it. I'm just really happy that Loving Tan reached out to me and they wanted to send me some stuff to review. And of course, like, I will review things that I know I absolutely love. But yeah, I will say, like, make sure, like, I know a lot of people know this, but like when you shave and stuff, like you shave your legs, don't put the tan on afterwards because you'll get those little like bumps, or not bumps, but like shaving spots. I've done that so many times. And also a tip is when you get out of the shower after you have a shower, when you're about to put your tan on, run cold water. I know it's going to kill you, but run cold water and let your pores all close up again. That's what I do. That's my little trick. So if I have like a hot shower, I'll quickly turn it over to cold and just freeze my ass off for a little bit, and then all my pores are closed, and then put your like moisturizer and stuff on, and then go for gold with your tan. That's my little trick if you're wanting to like, yeah, close your pores, or you get those little bumps sometimes. But yeah, other than that, I want to thank Loving Tan. Thank you so much for sending me these products. Absolutely loved them. Hopefully I get to work with them again. I absolutely love this tan, and I really love the face tanner. Definitely don't use this on your face. Like I used to do that. Don't do it. It's so bad. Get the face tanner because it is meant for your face. Like they've designed it for your face. So yeah, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this review, and we'll see if you have any other products you guys want me to review. Definitely leave me in the comments below. And yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.